Hello everyone. Today, let's talk about Sovereign Gold Bond Scheme, launched by the Government of India in November 2015 under the Gold Monetization Scheme. A sovereign gold bond, or SGB, is a government security denominated in grams of gold. It's a substitute for physical gold. Investors buy these bonds when the scheme opens and redeem them on maturity. The quantity of gold you pay for is protected, as you receive the ongoing market price at redemption. Now, the question is, why choose SGB over physical gold? Protection and security. The quantity of gold you invest in is protected, as you receive the ongoing market price at the time of redemption or premature redemption. This means your investment's value is secure and grows with the market. No storage hassles. Forget about the risks and costs associated with storing physical gold. SGBs eliminate these worries entirely. Guaranteed market value. At maturity, you are assured of receiving the market value of gold along with periodic interest payments. This adds a steady income stream to your investment. No making charges. Unlike gold jewelry, SGBs are free from making charges and purity issues, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Safe and secure. The bonds are held in the books of the Reserve Bank of India, eliminating the risk of loss or theft of physical scripts. Now, let's discuss the key points to know about sovereign gold bonds. Sovereign gold bond is open to resident Indian entities, including individuals, minors, HUFs, trusts, universities, and charitable institutions. Bonds are available in units of 1 gram and multiples, with a minimum investment of 1 gram. Individuals and HUFs can hold up to 4 kilograms per year. Trusts and charitable institutions can hold up to 20 kilograms. Investors earn 2.5% interest annually, paid semi-annually. The bond term is 8 years, with an exit option after 5 years on interest payment dates. Redemption price is based on the average closing price of gold, 999 purity, over the previous 3 business days. Investors receive a certificate of holding upon issuance. No TDS applies, but interest is taxable. Capital gains tax on redemption for individuals is exempted. In conclusion, Sovereign Gold Bond Scheme offers secure, beneficial investments over physical gold with assured market value and periodic interest. Choose Bank of Maharashtra for a smooth and reliable SGB investment experience. With another episode, see you next week.